Your view of infrared technology is about to change 180 degrees. Push a button and trigger laser sharp, the TIX 560 and the TIX 520. Get super resolution on the camera or through the included software. That turns your 320 by 240 images into 640 by 480 images. Save and share data faster and easier with Fluke Connect, the most convenient way to manage and wirelessly transfer infrared images to your smart device. Ergonomically engineered for comfortable shooting all day long. The 5.7-inch responsive touchscreen is about the size of a small tablet. Easily navigate over, under, and around objects to clearly see the target before you capture the desired image. The Expert Series, a new level of infrared performance from Fluke.